Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on Husqvarna Rz24 24 zero-turn lawnmower. The belt that runs the hydros keeps on flipping off, so we're going to see if there's something not lined up or a cord in the belt is broke or something. So we'll jack it up and check it out, see if we can fix it. So hope you enjoy the video. So we got a rag stuck in the brake assembly. Have to get that tore out of there, but first thing we gotta do is take the clutch off. So we're gonna go ahead and take the belt off the clutch. Okay, now we have to take this bar here out so the clutch will slide out. And that takes a 9/16. And we'll loosen this front bar just a little bit. We're not gonna take this bar out, we're just gonna loosen it. But now we'll allow that one to come out. Now we got room to take out the clutch. And that's gonna be a 5/8 bolt to take that. We'll let your clutch out so we can get to the hydro belt. Hydro belt's above the clutch. Okay, we got that loose. I'm gonna put it back in a little bit so the clutch don't fall away. We're gonna have to unhook the clutch wire. There, we got it unhooked so we don't pull the wires out of the clutch or anything. And there we go. And you can see the belt's just falling apart. So we definitely need to put a new belt down here, and you gotta make sure your idler pulley spins freely and everything. Now let's go ahead and take the belt off the two hydro pulleys and everything. As you can see, this belt is in very, very bad shape, so we definitely need to replace the belt. And just make sure your idler pulley is spinning nice, and make sure there ain't no sticks or weeds or anything stuck in anything there. So we'll go ahead and look up the model number of the lawnmower and look for the right belt to put on there. So I'll be right back. Okay, I got me a new belt here, but before we put it on your pivot arm, it's the pulley that keeps your belt tight. Just kind of like spray a little bit of oil on that, make sure it's not sticking or anything. You want to keep that belt tight at all times. Sometimes when these things sit outside in the rain and stuff, the bushing in that pivot arm kind of gets a little bit rusty, so just put a little bit of lubricant on there. So we'll go ahead and get our belt put on the two hydros, and we'll put it on the PTO shaft of the lawnmower. And I'm going to grab a wrench and I'm going to go on the top bolt of your idler pulley. I'm going to pull it back, and we'll go ahead and Get the belt set on there. You can also take the spring off, but then it's kind of hard to put the spring back on, so. Just grab a wrench. There we go. Make sure it's all nice and tight. Make sure the belt is sitting. And all the pulleys. And it looks good. So there, we got our belt replaced. So now we can go and put our clutch back on. And before I do that, I like to spray a little oil on this PTO shaft, just a little bit to prevent rust. So if you have to take that clutch off again, it'll slide right off. So we got to put the spacer back on. The spacer here goes right here. And you kind of line up the keyway here. I gotta take it back down a little bit because this has to go in that. There we go. Tighten that up. You don't want to over tighten them either. So we'll grab our wire, put it back in that hole up here, and we'll hook it, the PTO plug in. You really should have like a little zip tie here holding that wire in there. They got a little hole here for it. There, that keeps it out of the way of everything. Okay, now we can go and put the belt back on. Make sure it's still in all the pulleys on the okay, now we can go and put our bar back on. We'll just set these two bolts in the holes right there. And there's two washers. There's a washer that goes on each side. Let's go ahead and get this side started. And I'll put this one on this side. Get that started. Now we can go ahead and tighten them down. Okay. Take that relief bars off. Now we can go ahead and set it down and try it out. See if it works now. great now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyways, you guys have a good afternoon.